Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 4 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform the initial setup on your Garmin Vivoactive 4. So after this tutorial, your watch will be fully set up, meaning it'll be connected with your phone and it'll be ready to use. Alright, so let's go and get started. The first thing we need to do is simply turn on the Vivoactive 4, and we do that by holding this top button right here around the 2 o'clock position. Just hold it down for a second until you see that emblem. It might take it a couple seconds to boot up. Alright, so once we see all of the languages stating hello on the watch, all we need to do is tap the screen and then scroll through all the languages until we see our preferred language and simply select that. Once you select your language, you'll be asked if do you want to pair the watch with the phone. In this tutorial, that's how we'll be setting up the watch, so we're going to select the check mark. The other alternative would be to set it up through your computer, but I will not be covering that in this tutorial. So I'll select the check mark. Now what we need to do is download the Garmin Connect app on our phone. And you'll be able to find these both in the iTunes App Store or the Google Play Store. Just look for Garmin Connect. So what you want to do is just go ahead and download and install the app. When you initially open it, it'll ask you to either create an account or sign in if you already have an account. Once you sign in, if it automatically does not ask you to connect to a watch, all you need to do is go down to the options by selecting more. On an iPhone, you're going to select more at the bottom, and on an Android, it'll be the 3 bars located in the top left to open up the menu. Once we're in the menu, all we need to do is scroll down until we find Garmin Devices, and then in Garmin Devices, just select Add Device. If your Vivoactive 4 is still displaying this message, simply hit the check mark, and then it will show the watch pairing with Garmin Connect. Then your app should find the Vivoactive 4. So all you need to do there is just simply select Connect It. Now your Vivoactive 4 will display a 6-digit code. We need to enter that code in on our phone. And then select Pair. Now we'll begin the pairing process. This might take a couple minutes. And now it's setting it up. Once it's completed, you'll see the check mark right here and it says well done. Now we can select next, and there's some other configuration items that we need to go through. So the first is going to be to set our sleep time, and this is important for helping the watch when tracking our sleep, but we can also ensure that we can turn off notifications on the watch during this time. So to do that, all you need to do is configure the time you go to bed, the time you wake up, and then select no to not receive notifications during that time. Now we can select next to continue. Next, we just select which wrist we'll be wearing the watch on. I'm going to wear it on my left, so it's already selected. Select next. This is important for accuracy in your activity tracking and your step tracking. And then if you had a Garmin activity tracker in the past, I recommend turning on True Up. That'll just ensure all the data is shared between the devices. So I'm going to select yes here. So the next option is going to be to set goals. I'm going to skip this just because I want the watch to automatically set those based on my performance. So that means that if I meet my step goal, it'll raise the step goal. And if I don't meet it, it'll actually lower it. So I'm just going to select skip, but you can just go into edit my goals to change those. This includes floors climbed, which is stair climbing, and then intensity minutes, which is your minutes with a high heart rate. So I'm going to select skip. And then now all we need to do is our initial sync with the watch, where it'll send information between the watch and your phone. So I'm going to select sync now. The first one might take a couple minutes if there's an update available or something like that. So just give it a couple minutes and then it should be completed. And once you see this screen that says you are all set, just select finish. And then you'll have the options to go through some steps where we'll kind of train you how to use the watch. But now you've completed the setup of your Garmin Vivoactive 4 and you can begin using it. So that's how you do the initial setup of your Vivoactive 4. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivoactive 4 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.